Free Computer Education. Welcome to all to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate Python lecture number 1, that is core Python, and chapter by chapter I will show you step by that how to write a Python code, and different chapters we will see in detail. So this is the PyCharm editor. Whenever you want to write any Python code, so there are different types of editors. So I'll just list out the different types of editors. We have PyCharm, then we have Spider, then we have Jupyter, we have NetBeans, we have Anaconda. So these are the different types of editors where you can write Python code. I will demonstrate in Python PyCharm, which is very user friendly, and it would be very easy for beginners or students, or you can say junior developer, to write a code, and it's very user friendly. So we will start with this technology, that is PyCharm. Here I am going to demonstrate that how to write a Python code, how to run, how to execute. So if you compare Python code with C and C++, in C and C++, you have to set environment. Means like you have to set header files. Like suppose if I want to write a C code, so what we generally write? We write this way: hash include stdio.h. Then we write what? Hash include onio.h in opening curly braces, closing curly braces, and then we write a printf statement to print something. Hello world. This. So this is the basic structure of C language. So if you want to print only, like you can say one line or one sentence or even one word, if you want to print, you have to set what? Header files. You have to set main function. You have to write main function, because without main function you cannot use printf command. But whereas in Python you don't need to set, you directly can type a print command. So here in case of Python, print command, and in case of C, it's a printf command. Now if you want to run this, so just press right click and click on which option? Run. So when you click on run option, below you'll get output. So this is the output. This is the output. Clear? Now, how to use escape sequence? If you feel if it is very dark, then you can change the theme also. So we can go to file, settings, then here at present the theme is what? Dracula. You can change to what? Light, that is this one. Click on OK. So here the screens. So how to use escape sequence? So we have what? \t means tab space. We have \n means new line. We have \b means backspace. So these are known as what? Escape sequence. Yeah. Now in print command, how you can use that I'm going to show. So what you have to write? Print command. And here I'll just write hello space world. So between n and hello and world, if you give suppose backslash t, that is tab space, and then afterwards when you execute, you'll get the difference. Hello, if you see between hello and world, you'll get a space. The more backslash t you give, the more effect you will find. Clear? Same way, suppose if you give backslash n means new line. So if you give this command backslash n, and when you click on write and run first, it will move below. So hello is on, you can say top, and world below. That is backslash n. Backslash n means new line. And suppose if you want to remove D programmatically, so what you can give backslash B. This command you can give. Click on which option? Run. So if you see in output, the D is not there. Clear? Now, so these are the different types of escape sequence. Now we will say how to declare variables in Python. Right. So if you want to declare any variable, you have to start with what? Age. Suppose age is the name of variable. Then here you can write what? Int, then input, enter your age. Clear? This way you can write. Then you can write that if age, I'm sorry, yeah, by mistake, the same making statement, but we are still not in the variable declaration. So print age over here. So this is a command to print. So input is what? Input is the name of function. Input is the name of function to take input from users. Clear? So right click, run. Here you can enter, suppose 18. It will ask you to enter your age. So when you press 18, and you get output. If you want a tab space, so you can use what? Backslash t, as I said earlier, escape sequence. Right click, click on which option? Run first. And here see when you click on some space, you can say now it looks better. You can type 12 and press enter this way. So I hope that you understood how to declare variable. Just you have to write the name of variable followed by the input function. Inside bracket, you have to specify the message that you want to give notification to user, or you want that user should enter something. Then you can write this command input, and print command is used to print what? Output. Same way, name is variable. So here what you are going to write? Input function. Enter your name. Right. Then print and say name over here. So right click, run this way. So it will ask me to enter this. So I'll just type and enter, suppose test. Clear? So very easy language. Now we'll say different types of operators. So we have different types of operators, like we have arithmetic operators, relational operators. I'll just list out types of operators in Python. So we have what? Arithmetic operator. We have relational operator. We have logical operator. We have assignment operator. We have membership operator. have identity operator. So these are the basic 6 types of operators. There are many, but first we will see 6 types of operators in Python. So we'll start with this arithmetic operator. So n is equal to int and input function. We ask you to enter n. Enter n. I mean to say \t this way. Same way n1 is equal to int input enter n1 \t this way. So print n plus n1 this way. Then plus multiplication minus divide. This is for product, this is for divide, this is for minus, this is for, you can say, modulus operator. That is, you can say, if you want to calculate remainder, this way. So either you can use this expression directly in print statement, or you can declare a variable. You can store the result. For example, so if I say that result is equal to n plus n, this way also you can, and you can write what print result. This way also you can do. Yeah. So you can store over here, and if you want, you can typecast. So just run this. So if I write 10 over here, I write 20, so answer is what? So this is the output, you can say 10 plus 12, 22, right? And you'll get 22 twice because we have stored, we have used expression directly, and we have stored the output into variable result, and then we have printed accordingly. So I mean to say that you can directly use print command to print the expression, or you can use what? Variable, and you can store over that. Clear? So I'll just write \t. Here there is a mistake, so I will have to use what? This one, \t. Understood? So this is very, very simple. Right? Now we will see relational operator. So print so here, suppose if I write print, in relational operators we have different types. Like you can say we have greater than sign, less than sign, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. So if I write n greater than n1, clear? Then we have see less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal. So now when I run this example, clear? So if I write 10 over here, if I write 5, so it will give output. The top, on top, this is the output of, you can say, arithmetic operator, and below one is the output of, you can say, logical operator, true or false. So this is your comparison operator. Then we have logical operator. In logical operator, what we have? We have and, or, and not. Now, I'll declare one variable. Suppose marks is the name of variable. So here what I'll write? Int bracket input enter your marks. So if marks greater than equal to 0 and marks less than 30, then what you write print fail. And if marks greater than equal to 35 and marks less than 50, what you write? So I mean to say that you can use this way, that if two conditions, logical AND means that if two conditions are satisfied, then only it will display true. If you're using AND between these two conditions and two, if both the conditions are true, then you will get what final output as true. If I write this way, if marks less than 0 or marks greater than 100, then print enter valid marks this way. So this is logical OR operator. Logical OR operator as in that if any one of the one condition is true or both the conditions are true, then it will display. So if marks greater than equal to 35 and marks less than equal to 100, then print pass. Right. So see, understood. So this is the very simple concept, very easy concept. Right. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the same. You will get all the upcoming records. And whenever you face any doubts, you can write in comment box. We will troubleshoot your doubt soon. Now, we will see membership operator. So in membership operator, we have in, not in. In membership operator, what we have in and not in. So suppose if I say that if I'll create a list, suppose software list this way, where I write C, C++, Java, .NET, right? Of course, Python. And if I give condition that if C in software, then print, you can say that found as print. Yeah, so indentation is very compulsory in case of Python. If you don't indent your code and if your syntax is right, then also it won't run. Indentation is mandatory. Any doubt, please ask. Then if C not in, so what will write? Not found. Yeah, what I'm going to write found. Suppose 10 and 5 this way. Here what I am going to enter marks. In both the cases, here you will get, can you see found? So the previous one was the output of, you can say, input and output of the previous code. The latest output is what found twice. We are able to see over here. So in and not in. So in and not in, these are the good example of how we can say membership operator. Then we have identity operator. In identity operator, we have is and is. Suppose if I say n is equal to int input and n this way. I'll just copy this, just paste here. I'll write n1. So if n is n1, print both are equal, else print both are not equal. Yeah, and same way if n is not, both are not equal, both are equal. And marks. So 10 and so if you see both are not equal, getting my point. Both are not equal, right? Because the value of n is 10 and value of n1 is 5. Last operator is assignment operator. In assignment operator, we have plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, divide equal to. So these are the different examples of assignment operator. So I'll demonstrate. We will just continue the previous variables value. So here what I'm going to write that print value of n is n and value of n is here. So n plus equal to n1 and n multiplication equal to n1 n minus equal to n1 and n divide equal to n1. So this is the example of assignment operator. Does this enter your reach? Name and test and 5 marks and 5. So here you will get effects. So 10 plus 5, 15, 15 5s are 75, 75 minus 5 is 70, and 70 divided by 5 is 40. Yeah. So I hope so that today's sessions you got the awareness that how to print message, how to use escape sequence, how to declare variable, how to use different types of operators. This was the lecture number 1. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. So all the recording lectures you will get soon. And if you have any doubts, any queries, below there is a comment section. You can write your comments. Yeah. Bye, friends.